Hello everyone, welcome to Math Academy. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon and share with friends. To know the basic concepts of linear algebra, please must watch the end of the video. Thank you. And today question is TIFR 2018. Let A be a 3 by 3 real symmetric matrix such that a to the power 6 is equal to identity matrix, then a square is equal to identity matrix. This statement is true or false. So let P of x is x to the power 6 minus 1 since a to the power 6 is equal to identity matrix. So write it's in the x form, and this P of x is called annihilating polynomial. So let's factorize it. We get this and x cube plus 1 and x cube minus 1. Again factorize x plus 1, x minus 1, x square minus x plus 1, x square plus x plus 1. And here given that A is a 3 by 3 real symmetric matrix, and we know that every symmetric matrix is diagonalizable over R, means real matrix. So A is a symmetric matrix, so A is imply diagonalizable matrix. And also A is a symmetric matrix since A is symmetric. So eigenvalues of A is real since every real symmetric matrix eigenvalues is real. So A is a matrix which is diagonalizable, and also eigenvalues of A is reals. And we know that by theorem minimal polynomial divides the annihilating polynomial P of x. So the possibilities of minimal polynomial is x plus 1, x minus 1, and also similarly other if I write this, and again by the theorem, since A is diagonalizable, so every minimal polynomial contains distinct linear factors. By theorem, since A is diagonalizable, so minimal polynomial is contain distinct linear factor, and also minimal polynomial contains every eigenvalue. Minimal polynomial contains every eigenvalue. So and also eigenvalues of A is real since A is a real symmetric matrix. So if I take this minimal polynomial, then the eigenvalue of this polynomial is not real, which is complex number. So possibilities of this minimal polynomial is not possible. So only minimal polynomial possible whose roots are real. So every other possibilities of minimal polynomial which divides the polynomial P of x, also this is not possible, which is not contains the eigenvalue reals. So only possibilities of minimal polynomials are this, because this minimal polynomial contains all the eigenvalues are real, and we know that every minimal polynomial contains every eigenvalue. So if I take this is minimal polynomial, and also know that every matrix satisfies the minimal polynomial, so A is equal to minus identity matrix. This is first possibilities, and the second possibility is if I take this minimal polynomial m of x is equal to x minus 1, we know that every minimal polynomial satisfies the matrix, so A minus I is equal to 0. So A is a identity matrix. If I take the third possibilities, if I take the minimal polynomial x square minus 1, then m of A is a square minus I, and we know that every matrix satisfies the minimal polynomial, so a square minus I is 0, means a square is identity matrix. So for the third case is a square is equal to identity matrix, and for the second case if A is identity matrix, then also a square is identity matrix, so this is true, this is true. And if A is a minus identity matrix, then A square is also identity matrix, so this is true. So all the possibilities of minimal polynomial, this is true that A square is identity matrix. So your question is A square is identity matrix, so this statement is true. So please subscribe my channel and share with friends if you think that this concept helps you to know the concepts of linear algebra, and share with friends. And I give you one example, and please comment the right answer in YouTube videos. Let A to the power q is identity matrix, then A is an identity matrix. This statement true or false? Just remove it, and this is remove it. Let A be a 3×3 real symmetric matrix such that AQ is identity matrix, then A is a identity matrix. This statement is true or false? So please comment in the YouTube videos, and subscribe please my video, and also likes and share with friends. Thank you.